Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to create video ads for social media here in Canva. So after you've opened your Canva, over here in the search bar, you want to search for video templates, and the keywords that you'd like to search for are something that is related to the theme of the video that you'd like to make. So for example, I want to create a video ad that has a technology theme. So I'm going to search for technology over here, and over here at the bottom, I'm going to click on category, and then I'm going to scroll down and look for video. It could also be mobile video, so just choose the orientation of the video that you'd like to make. And after that, just scroll down so that you can check the available video templates. And you can also click on the template so that you can see how the video goes, and you can check if that's the kind of flow for the video that you'd like to make. And after you've chosen one, just click on customize this template. And from here, you can go ahead and customize the template. You can input your own contents for your video ad. And once you've done that, you can also click on the play button over here so that you can check again if the video is already good for you. And once you have done that, just click on share and click on download so that you can save your video. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.